Exiting and entering a sit-in kayak in open water is virtually impossible. The Two Wings kayak is an innovative design in kayak construction which allows your paddle to become an outrigger. The double-ended paddle can be separated and then inserted into an enclosed keyed channel built into the hull just behind the cockpit. The paddle is then joined inside the channel. The paddle blades lie parallel to the water surface, resulting in kayak stabilization. This allows the paddler to jump out, dive, or climb back into the kayak without it tipping, rolling, and filling with water. The Two Wings kayak was created by inventor and avid kayaker Cinanni. Contact us now to learn about manufacturing, retail, wholesale, distribution, or licensing opportunities. The Two Wings kayak is truly a must-have for all kayakers. Act now for exclusive rights.